Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like something was missing? Like your clothes just weren't truly? Honey, you're not alone. So many people struggle to define their personal style, and they end up feeling lost in a sea of trends. But let me tell you, your signature style, it's in there, just waiting to be unleashed. In this video, we're diving deep into the fabulous world of fashion to help you discover, refine, and rock your own unique look. We'll break down the steps, share insider tips, and give you the confidence to express your most authentic self through the power of clothes. Get ready to say goodbye to wardrobe woes and hello to a whole new you. Because when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, darling, you can conquer the world. Now, let's talk about why having a signature style is such a game changer. It's not just about the clothes you wear or the accessories you choose. It's about creating a personal brand that speaks volumes about who you are, even before you say a word. It's not just about looking fashionable, darling. It's about making a statement. Your signature style is a powerful tool that can set you apart in a crowd, making you instantly recognizable and memorable. It's about so much more. It's about expressing your individuality and showcasing your unique personality. When you have a signature style, you're telling the world that you know who you are, and you're not afraid to show it. Your style is your visual calling card, a way to communicate who you are without saying a word. It's a reflection of your inner self, your values, and your passions. It's a way to tell your story through the clothes you wear and the way you present yourself. Think about some of the most iconic figures out there. Anna Wintour with her fierce bob and those statement sunglasses, instantly recognizable. Her style is not just about fashion, it's about power, confidence, and authority. Steve Jobs and his signature black turtleneck and jeans, effortlessly cool. His minimalist style became a symbol of innovation and simplicity, reflecting his approach to technology and design. Their style became synonymous with their personalities, their brands, their legacies. It's a testament to the power of a well-crafted personal style. And you have that same power within you. You have the ability to create a signature style that is uniquely yours, one that tells your story and sets you apart from the rest. When you cultivate a signature style, you're essentially creating a visual representation of your values, your passions, your story. It's about more than just clothes. It's about creating a cohesive image that reflects who you are. It's about showcasing your individuality, what makes you unique. And the best part? It doesn't have to be over the top or extravagant. It doesn't have to be over the top or extravagant. It can be as simple as finding a few key pieces that make you feel confident and empowered. It's about finding what feels authentic to you, what makes you feel confident and empowered. It's about discovering the pieces that resonate with you and make you feel like the best version of yourself. It could be as simple as always rocking a bold lip color, or having a signature accessory that you wear every day. These small details can make a big impact, or gravitating towards vintage finds with a story to tell. These unique pieces can add character and depth to your style, making it truly one of a kind. Remember, your style is a reflection of your inner world. It's a way to express your creativity, your passions, and your personality. It's a way to show the world who you are and what you stand for. So let's dig deep and uncover what makes you shine. Embrace your unique style and let it be a powerful tool for self-expression and confidence. So, how do we go about uncovering your unique style DNA? It's not just about the clothes you wear, but about understanding who you are and what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Well, it's a journey of self-discovery, my friend. It's about diving deep into your preferences, your lifestyle, and what truly resonates with you on a personal level. We need to explore your preferences, your lifestyle, and what truly resonates with you. This means looking at the clothes you already own and love, and thinking about why you love them. First things first, let's analyze your current wardrobe. Take a good look at what you have and start to identify patterns. Go through your closet and pull out your absolute favorite pieces, the ones you reach for again and again. These are the items that make you feel your best. What do they have in common? Are there certain colors, fabrics, or styles that you gravitate towards? Are they flowy and bohemian or structured and tailored? Do you prefer a relaxed, casual look or something more polished and professional? Are they bold and colorful or understated and neutral? Think about the overall vibe of your favorite pieces. Next, think about your lifestyle and values. Your clothes should reflect not just your taste, but also your daily life and what you stand for. Are you constantly on the go, or do you prefer a more relaxed pace? Do you need outfits that can transition from work to play? Or do you have a more consistent routine? Are you drawn to sustainable and ethical fashion? Or do you love experimenting with the latest trends? Your values and interests should be reflected in your wardrobe choices. And finally, let's talk about inspiration. Where do you find your fashion inspiration? Is it from magazines, social media, or perhaps from people you admire in your daily life? Who are your style icons? Whose fashion choices do you admire and why? This can give you clues about your own style preferences. Whose outfits make you double tap on Instagram? Pay attention to the details that catch your eye. Don't be afraid to create a mood board or Pinterest board filled with looks that inspire you. This can be a fun and creative way to visualize your style. This will give you a visual reference point as we move forward. It can help you see patterns and themes in what you are drawn to. Remember, this is all about exploration and self-discovery. It's about finding what makes you feel like the best version of yourself. There are no right or wrong answers here, just a journey towards finding what feels authentically you. Embrace the process and enjoy the journey of discovering your unique style DNA. Alright, now that we've got a better understanding of your style foundations, it's time to shake things up a bit. It's time to venture into uncharted territory and discover new facets of your personal style. This journey is all about growth and transformation, and it starts with a single step. I know, stepping outside your comfort zone can be daunting, but trust me, it's where the magic happens. It's in these moments of uncertainty that we often find our true selves. Embrace the challenge and let it guide you to new and exciting discoveries. Think of it like this. Your comfort zone is a cozy little room, but it's time to knock down those walls and explore the entire house. Imagine all the hidden gems and treasures waiting to be found. Each new outfit is a room filled with possibilities, just waiting for you to step inside. We're going to experiment with different silhouettes, textures, and colors that you might not normally gravitate towards. This is your chance to play with fashion in ways you never thought possible. From bold patterns to unique cuts, the options are endless. Don't be afraid to try on things you never thought you could pull off. Sometimes the most unexpected choices turn out to be the most flattering. It's all about finding what makes you feel confident and empowered. You might be surprised at what looks amazing on you. That moment of revelation when you see yourself in a new light is truly priceless. It's a reminder that fashion is not just about clothes, but about self-expression and discovery. And remember, fashion is all about having fun. It's a playground where you can experiment and express yourself without any rules. So, let loose and enjoy the process. After all, the best fashion moments often come from a place of joy and spontaneity. So play around, be adventurous, and don't take it too seriously. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn about what works for you. And who knows, you might just stumble upon your new favorite look. One of my favorite ways to encourage experimentation is through accessories. A statement necklace, a bold scarf, or even a unique hat can transform an outfit. These small additions can make a big impact and allow you to dip your toes into new styles without fully committing. Or a killer pair of shoes can instantly elevate any outfit and add a touch of your personality. Shoes, in particular, can change the entire vibe of your look. Whether it's a pair of edgy boots or elegant heels, the right footwear can make you feel unstoppable. And don't underestimate the power of patterns. Patterns can add depth and interest to your outfits. They can be playful, sophisticated, or even a bit daring. The key is to find patterns that resonate with your personal style. Mixing and matching prints can feel intimidating, but it can also be incredibly chic. Start with simple combinations and gradually build up your confidence. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Start with small doses, like pairing a striped top with a floral skirt, and see where it takes you. As you become more comfortable, you can experiment with bolder combinations. Remember, fashion is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy every step of the way. Now that you've had some fun experimenting, it's time to bring all your inspiration together. We're going to create a visual style board that will serve as your roadmap to creating your signature look. Gather all those images you've been saving, the outfits, the accessories, the colors, the textures, and start arranging them on a physical or digital mood board. You can use Pinterest, Canva, or even just a good old-fashioned corkboard. As you're creating your board, pay attention to any recurring themes or elements. Are you drawn to certain colors? Do you see a pattern in the silhouettes you're drawn to? This will give you valuable insights into your evolving style. Once you're happy with your board, don't be afraid to share it with trusted friends, family, or even a stylist for feedback. Sometimes a fresh perspective can help you see things you might have missed. Remember, this board is a work in progress. As you continue to explore and refine your style, you can add to it, edit it, and make it your own. Alright, my friend, we've reached the final stage of our style journey. It's time to take everything we've learned and translate it into a wardrobe that reflects your unique personality and makes you feel like $1,000,000. First things first, let's build a capsule wardrobe. This means investing in high-quality, versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of looks. Think classic button-downs, tailored trousers, a little black dress, the essentials that will never go out of style. Once you have your foundation, it's time to inject your personality with statement pieces. This could be a vintage leather jacket, a brightly patterned blazer, or a pair of shoes that scream you. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. And finally, let's talk about accessories. They are the finishing touch that can elevate any outfit from basic to breathtaking. Experiment with jewelry, scarves, hats, bags, whatever speaks to your personal style. Remember, confidence is key. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. So stand tall, own your look, and go out there and conquer the world. So there you have it, darling. You've got the tools, the inspiration, and the confidence to define and rock your signature style. Remember, fashion is a journey, not a destination. It's about having fun, expressing yourself, and embracing your individuality. Don't be afraid to experiment, to evolve, and to make mistakes along the way. That's how you learn and grow. And most importantly, don't forget to own it. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. Now go out there and show the world what you're made of. I'm so excited for you to embrace your inner fashion icon. If you enjoyed these fashion tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more style inspiration.